Hey there my friend, what is happening? Vitaly Dubin is here, founder and creator of Bitcoin's Pulse Club system, where we are helping people realize their dreams and live a freedom lifestyle by empowering them to create multiple streams of passive income and create long-lasting wealth leveraging Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. And I'm super excited you've made it, you're in. I want to personally welcome you from the bottom of my heart to Bitcoin's Pulse Club system. Welcome to our family, to our community, to our club, where we are helping people become Bitcoin millionaires. I mean, there's never been a better timing and a greater opportunity than right now to learn everything that you can about the world of Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and how it can change and transform the quality of your life and help you realize your dreams. Millions of people right now are looking to learn, they're hungry for information, how Bitcoin works, how to take advantage of Bitcoin. It's all over the news, it's all over the social media. People want to learn how to amass a fortune leveraging Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. We are right now witnessing the biggest transference of wealth the world has ever seen, where $50 to $200 million every single day are being poured into Bitcoin. People are pulling money out of their 401ks, out of their retirement funds and savings accounts, and put everything into Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, to grow their wealth in Bitcoins. And for me personally, it totally transformed the quality of my life. I didn't know anything about the world of Bitcoin cryptocurrency back in March 2017. This is when I got started. I was driving a car and a guy told me, now is the time to enter the Bitcoin space. And you know, like a year and a half ago, I met a guy in the Philippines and he was amassing a fortune in Bitcoins, but I didn't listen to this guy back then. It was all new, this technology, you know, I didn't quite understand it. But once I grasped it last year, what it really is, what Bitcoin really is all about, and how this is a revolution that is happening in the finance space. It's changing the way that we do business, how we transact money, how we, you know, change value and what money really is. And this is the future and the blockchain technology that Bitcoin is stand on its shoulders. It's here to stay. And once you truly realize that, like I did, you know, I got obsessed. I got to learn everything that I could about Bitcoin and the power of Bitcoin cryptocurrency and how it works. I started reading every book that I can find, you know, watching every single video I can get my hands on. I started looking and digging because this is the timing. So since I got started, it took me 9 months to go from zero to becoming a Bitcoin millionaire. And this is what we are really all about, you know, taking it step by step. So I started looking and digging and, you know, looking for different ways how to grow my wealth in Bitcoins, and I didn't know who to trust, where to go. You know, I got burned several times. You know, there are all the different ways and different companies, they offer you this and that, you know, to grow your wealth. And, you know, sometimes those companies disappear after a couple weeks or a couple months. A lot of people lost money, and I was like, there must be a better way. I started asking myself questions, you know, what is Bitcoin? You know, where can I get it? What is a Bitcoin wallet? How do I buy Bitcoin? What are Bitcoin exchanges? How do you interact with this new technology? And I knew that if I was asking myself those questions, other people are asking those questions as well. So this is where I set on a mission. Let's create Bitcoin's Pulse Club system and empower people with the information, the strategies, and the tools that they need to get from point A, where they maybe know nothing about the world of Bitcoin, to be on an accelerated path to becoming a Bitcoin millionaire. And we break it all down inside Bitcoin's Pulse Club with our signature millionaire method, where we are going to take you through 3 distinct phases. On phase number 1, we're going to show you what is Bitcoin, how it works, what is a Bitcoin wallet, where do you go buy Bitcoin, how do you sell Bitcoin, how do you interact with this new technology, why the value of Bitcoin continues to rise. I mean, we've seen it touch over $20,000 in December 2017, and it's going up and down, it's fluctuating, but this year, 2018, it's poised to go all the way to $50,000, $60,000, $70,000. Over the next couple of years, it can reach $100,000, even $200,000. And over the next 5 to 10 years, it can go all the way to $500,000 to $1 million. Why it is so, we are covering all inside our course and our trainings here in Bitcoin's Wealth Club system. On phase number 2, we're going to share with you how to take advantage and leverage the two most powerful forces to help you grow your wealth in Bitcoins, which is mining and cryptocurrency trading. Why mining is so powerful? This is how Bitcoins are being created. There are millions of computers around the world that are monitoring the blockchain, which is the technology that Bitcoin is built upon, and it is very, very lucrative. This is how Bitcoins are being born and created in the world. There are 21 million Bitcoins in total that will ever be created, and by the year 2030, 99% of all Bitcoins will be mined and created. It will take another 100 years to mine and create the rest 1%. There is laws of supply and demand that you're going to learn inside Bitcoin's Wealth Club system that will help you really appreciate this technology and how mining works, how blockchain works, and more importantly, how you can take advantage of it, no matter where you live in the world, to really amass a fortune. And cryptocurrency trading is very lucrative and very powerful. There are over 1,400 different cryptocurrencies on the marketplace, and the overall size of the cryptocurrency market is going fast into the trillions. And some of the coins you can buy as low as a penny, even less than a penny, and it can go up in value, by 10x, 50x, 100x, 200x, even sometimes over 1,000x, like it happened with Ethereum that went from $1 to over $1,200. So how do you take advantage of this? How do you know which coins to buy? There's a lot of junk coins out there. How do you minimize your risks? What are the cryptocurrencies that you want to buy and trade on? And how do you know when to sell them? All of these things, whether you want to learn how to become a trader, we're going to bring you the best traders in the world who know what they're doing, who created million-dollar crypto portfolios, sharing with you exactly what they're doing behind the scenes, how they're trading, their psychology, their mindset, and all of that stuff. Or even if you want to outsource it all, if you want to automate it all, we have the strategies, the tools, and the software to help you accomplish that, so you can grow your wealth passively while you're enjoying your life and not being in front of your computer all the time. So those two powerful forces, mining, cryptocurrency trading, is a big focus here inside Bitcoin's Wealth Club system, and helping you create multiple streams of passive income, because this is where your freedom lies. Imagine you have the ability to earn even half a Bitcoin every single day. Well, that's about $5,000 a day or $150,000 a month. Will that kind of income help you change and transform the quality of your life forever, and help you live the kind of freedom lifestyle of your dreams, travel around the world, do whatever and whenever you want with your time, to spend more time with your loved ones, with your family, with your friends, to drive the kind of car that you want to drive, to buy the house that you want to buy, to never worry about money ever again, to not have a boss in your life. That's what we want to help you accomplish, to change your mindset into the mindset of a wealthy person. How do you literally reprogram yourself? And we want to not just give you the tools and the strategies, we want to help you transform the way you think, because when you transform the way you think and how you operate and how you perceive yourself, and that you are worthy of becoming a millionaire, that's when things start to change and you start to take massive action. And phase number 3, we're going to show you how to leverage Bitcoin's Wealth Club system and have a $1 million business out of this. So we have a lot of strategies and tools to help you do that. So right here, right now, we have the steps you can follow, the foundation of Bitcoin's Wealth Club system, how it works. We're going to show you how to set up your wallets, how to get your Bitcoins. We're going to show you how to set up your multiple streams of passive income. You can see it here under passive profits. We're going to show you how to, in other words, our training and marketing. You have your affiliate links and funnels right there. We have premium access and VIP members area. We'll share with you in just a second. We have our live events. We have our weekly webinars. You have all the information that you need right here inside the system. So here is where you need to really put your focus and attention right now. Go over the steps that you are seeing below this video. See one button, start going through the steps and start completing the system. We're going to walk you through everything from beginner stages, help you set up the wallets, help you set up your Bitcoin, and guide you through the process of doing so. Then show you how to take advantage of it, how to leverage your Bitcoin through cryptocurrency trading and mining. I'm going to show you everything that you need in order to help you succeed massively. And there's a Facebook group that you can join in Bitcoin Swells Club for support, for guidance, for lifting each other up. We are family, we are community, we stand for each other. We stand for freedom, we stand for wealth and choices, because this is what really true wealth allows you to do. More choices in your life, to do what you want to do, to be who you want to be, to live the kind of life that you want to live, to enjoy life to the fullest and realize your potential. Okay, so make sure that you join our community. Make sure that you are part of all of our live trainings and coachings, that we do on a weekly basis, that you can find right here in the system and in the calendar. Stay up to date. Pay close attention to the emails you'll be receiving here from Bitcoin Swells Club system, as we're going to guide you through everything that you need to know. I mean, did it work? I put like 1,400 hours to create a system and tens of thousands of dollars to put it together for you. And it absolutely transformed not just the quality of my life, but we have 130,000 members inside Bitcoin Swells Club system, and it's growing fast by over 1,000 members every day. And we're going fast to have 10 million members here inside Bitcoin's Swells Club system. We have some people that already accomplished a millionaire status, like Justin Varenje. It took him 72 days going from zero to becoming a crypto millionaire. And we have so many success stories here inside Bitcoin Swells Club for regular people who are earning income on a daily basis inside Bitcoin Swells Club system passively. This is where a lot of our focus lies, to really help you get to a point where you don't need to go on a job, where you live a freedom lifestyle, when you leverage what we have, the tools, the strategies to really grow your wealth and create multiple streams of passive income and change and transform the quality of your life. So I am super excited for you. Go ahead and go over the steps, the getting started process, and plug in, take massive action. I'm looking forward to see you on all of our live trainings, our live events, that we are putting together for you. See you inside our Facebook group and our community. Plug in, take massive action. It's going to transform the quality of your life forever. I'm going to do my best to over-deliver and to give you everything that I've got to help you accomplish your goals and dreams faster. So go ahead, take massive action. I'm looking forward to see you on our next videos and trainings.